Hello.
What's up everybody? Welcome to Everything Except Nothing. We went out to the Hazel Horse compound to check out their Stihl chainsaw converted into a sawmill. What do you got here?
Alright, so what we got here is a Stihl MS 661. She's a pretty big girl. Matter of fact, when you go to the Stihl dealership to buy anything bigger than a 441, they have a scale and they'll actually weigh your testicles. And then there's a chart that Stihl puts out. You compare that to the testicle weight, and that determines whether or not you're qualified to operate a saw of this magnitude. So obviously I had to have someone else go buy the saw for me because I wasn't qualified. She came with a 28-inch bar on her. Swapped her out for a 42-inch bar with a ripping chain, and it's a 36-inch Granberg Alaskan Mill. The tree is from a house in Denver. I believe it's an elm tree, not really sure. We're going to slice her up into some live edge slabs.
Now, all jokes aside, this was a very safe operation. The hard hat with the face shield, ear protection, Kevlar chaps. We were wearing gloves as well. The Kevlar chaps were a very important part of the safety gear. I believe there's 12 levels of Kevlar, 12 layers of Kevlar.
And also, I didn't spend 300 bucks on chaps not to use them.
I hear ya.
But seriously, try not to actually use them because they're expensive.
Okay.
The first thing that we did was we went ahead and affixed a ladder to the top of the tree. Now, we used 3-inch long wood screws to do this, and we wanted to make sure that the depth of the wood screw was not greater than the adjustment on the chainsaw or the depth of the chainsaw once it was making that first cut. Now, we had to tighten and loosen a little bit to make sure that we had a nice, true, even flat surface, and we didn't want any warpage in the ladder because it was aluminum and it could twist a little.
Thick slab, that looks about right, huh?
Yeah, take mama.
Yeah, it is. It's gonna go quick. All in all, the process took us, I think, like 4.5 hours. We did take a couple breaks for, you know, some beverages. It did take about 10 minutes to get through a cut, 10 to 15 minutes.
My fingers hurt.
Okay, so he just made the second cut, and now he's gonna hose it off and see what it looks like. We made it through about half of the tree, and we went ahead and changed out the chain as it did catch a bunch of metal pieces in the first couple cuts. And instead of taking the time to sharpen up the chain, we went ahead and just replaced the chain with a brand new one so that we could keep going.
Think she's toast?
She's not toast. I just don't feel like taking the time to sharpen it because I want to get this thing done tonight. So after we're done, I'll sharpen both of them and they'll be good to go.
I didn't get her till she was over a year old, and I think she was.
It just keeps going down.
Well,
Going down. Should meet up with his buddy and then be done, right?
yeah.
Oh. Big boys' toys.
Yeah. How heavy do you think this thing was, Mark? What were those?
They were 2-ton come-alongs and we broke both of them.
We're using them at the same time.
All right, so what's your impressions after, what, 3 passes?
It's way faster than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, it's fast. Saw ran good. Now Josh is gonna try while I go mix up some more fuel. 100 octane, 80-to-1 mix.
Choke.
Thick mama.
Got it. Beautiful.
Can we just lacquer it?
Oh yeah. Thanks.
Can we just lacquer it now?
Right?
The slabs were pretty heavy. They were definitely a 2-man carry, 3-inch thick slabs, and each time we cut down into those slabs, it just got cooler and cooler. The chainsaw did a really good job making it through all of those, and it was just a really fun experience that we had never been through before. I had never been through before, so I appreciate it. Thanks guys for letting me come out and see how this operation works and let me run the machine a little bit. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, as it does help the channel. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.